Okay, the subjective is lines of best fit. If you ride the drop zone at Paramount Canada's Wonderland, you will free fall toward the ground at speeds in excess of 28 meters per second. The table below gives the rider's speed before the brakes are applied. Alright, so we just have lots of stuff there. Number 28 says to draw a scatter plot to represent the situation. We'll let the time be the x and the speed be the y. So let's go ahead and label that first. So time and speed. Right, so time, I know I need to get through 2.5 seconds and it's going by 0.5s. So I'll go by 0.5s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. And then I notice the highest speed is 24.5. I think I'm going to go by ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I think we'll get up to 20 that way. Okay, you'll notice the problem is I'm not going to fit this on my graph. I'm not super concerned about it because I'll get all the other points, so we're good. Alright, so I've got 0.5, 4.9, which is almost a 5. Oops. Okay, and then we've got 1, 9.8, which is almost a 10. And then we've got 1.5, 14.7, which is almost a 15. And then we've got 2, 19.6, which is almost a 20. And then that last one, 2.5, goes off, but it's kind of way up here. So I notice it pretty much makes a straight line just on its own. So if I connect these, it really, I could pretty much do my line of best fit right on those lines. So I've done the draw scatter plot, I've done the draw on the line of best fit. 30 says to find an equation of the line of best fit. So I need to pick 2 points. I'm actually just going to pick 2 of the points that are in my table because they were all on my line. So I'm just going to pick nice ones. I'll pick 1, 9.8 and 2, 19.6. So let's try that. So we are going to get, I'll drop 1, 9.8 and 2, 19.6. We need to find the slope. So I'll do 9.8 minus 19.6 over 1 minus 2. That gives me negative 9.8 divided by negative 1, and if I divide those, I'll get 9.8. So that's my slope. And now if you remember, we're going to, I'm going to come over here, y equals mx plus b. I'm going to pick this point, so here's my x and here's my y. So I get 9.8 equals 9.8 times 1 plus b. So I'll get 9.8 equals 9.8 plus b. To get the b by itself, I'll subtract 9.8 from both sides, and I'll get 0 equals b. So my equation is going to be y equals 9.8x and then plus 0. I just don't need to put it. So that's my equation. And then 31 says to use your equation to determine how fast a rider will be going after 10 seconds. So since x was my time, I just need to plug in time. So I need to show that I'm using my equation. So just do 9.8 times 10. That will be 98 meters per second. And there we go on that one.